Hello, I'm Governor Butch Otter. This may look like a simple toy, but when it comes to wildfires, drones like this can make a bad situation much worse. That's why it's critically important that drones do not fly anywhere near a wildfire. Drones can interfere with the wildland fire air traffic necessary to suppress these fires. Be smart. Never fly a drone anywhere near a wildfire. Now, to find out more, visit the website on your screen.